रीमा शर्मा जी भी मीडिया पर्सन हैं, डॉक्टर प्रभा कुमारी जी, हरपाल सिंह ढंगर जी आप सोशल सर्विस के अंदर हैं, मंगेश जंत वैशपायन जी आप महाराष्ट्र टाइम्स में हैं। Why are we not getting good coordination with the government? We should make good or more efforts to make good adjustments with some compromises to achieve the goals of the country. The RSS has more responsibility than the government. इसी का ही जुड़ता हुआ जो प्रश्न है, वर्तमान केंद्र सरकार और संघ के मिलते जुलते विषय और मतभेद के मुद्दे क्या हैं, इसी में आगे चलते हैं। भाजपा के व्यापक विस्तार और उसके चलते बनी अनुकूल परिस्थितियों को देखते हुए क्या संघ भाजपा संबंधों की समीक्षा कर उन्हें पुनः निर्धारित करने का समय आ गया है? अंतिम है इसमें। हर जगह ये बात होती है कि भाजपा का अध्यक्ष रोड मैप सब कुछ संघ तैयार करता है, क्या ये सच है?
और दो बातें हैं, और दो बातें छूटी हैं, मैं पढ़ लेता हूं।
वो थोड़े अलग से थे तो इसलिए ठीक है। राजनेता रहते जेल में रहने पर पद मुक्त करने का कानून के बारे में
ठीक है ठीक है, आप तीन भागों में करें।
वो उसका अलग किया था,
एक बीच में भी छूट गया है, वो ध्यान में रखिए। तो we are having good coordination with every government, not only this one, the state governments as well as central government. But there are systems which have some internal contradictions. As I said, the system in general is the same, which was invented by the British for Bharat so that they can rule. So we have to have some innovations, otherwise it will not happen. Then we want something to happen. Even if the man in chair is 100% for us, he has to do it and he knows what are the hurdles. So he may be able to do it, he may not be able to do it. We have to give him that independence. There is no quarrel anywhere. And thirdly, the prevalent क्या कहते हैं दुनियादारी की रीति, the prevalent flow of all these ongoings in the world, it is like that. There are contradictions. For example, there is one Mazdoor Sangh, a labor organization, and there is one small scale industries organizations. Now they are naturally at loggerheads under the present system of life. Struggle for survival, struggle for existence, survival of the fittest. So struggle has to be there. And certain line of thought thinks that through struggle only progress happens. We are knowingly, unknowingly, willingly, unwillingly, we are in that system. So a labor organization, a small scale industries organization, the government and the party, all four have to be on the same page, which is very rare. And if say we should compromise, so why we should compromise? Why not you? So when we talk of compromise, the struggle deepens. So we say, okay, you all have your own say, make the experiment, proceed on your lines. If you get the desired result, then that will be accepted by all. Because we know our Swayamsevaks, they work honestly. So they don't believe in isms, etc., etc. Yes, there is some thought behind every action. That thought is there, but there is no ism. That thought has to be tested practically, and the thing that yields the result is to be accepted. So when that is there is no struggle. It appears that these two they are never at loggerheads. They are trying to extract the truth, and that involves some struggle. For example, in a railway yard, if they want to take a rail from here to there, this side to that side. They will never go in that direction. They will never appear to be going in that direction because there are so many railway lines and there is that, all sort of hurdles are there. So they will pull the rail here, then take here, like that. They will reach there. They know we have to reach there. But they cannot go straight away to that spot. So all these things, they create an appearance there is struggle. Or there is quarrel, rather than. Struggle might be there, but there is no quarrel. Goal is the same. Good of our country, good of our people. If that understanding is there, there is always coordination. And we have that understanding in our Swayamsevaks. So there might be opinions also. It is not required that myself and Dattaji should think on the same lines. But we will discuss with consensus, and together whatever we decide, whether it is according to my opinion or against my opinion, this collective decision I will follow. When that nature is there is no quarrel. तो मतभेद के मुद्दे क्या है? मतभेद के कोई मुद्दे नहीं होते. इश्यूज में मतभेद होता है, सबका होता है. हमारे यहाँ मतभेद के विचार कुछ हो सकते हैं, मनभेद बिल्कुल नहीं है. और एक दूसरे पर विश्वास है कि जो प्रयत्न कर रहे हैं वो प्रामाणिकता से कर रहे हैं, निस्वार्थ बुद्धि से कर रहे हैं. क्षमता अपनी अपनी है, परिस्थिति अपनी अपनी है. अलग अलग चलेंगे तो भी अलग अलग जाना नहीं है, सबको एक जगह जाना है. और सब कुछ संग तय करता है, ये पूर्णतः गलत बात है. ये हो ही नहीं सकता. क्योंकि हम इतने दिनों से, मैं 50 साल से शाखा चला रहा हूं. तो कोई शाखा के बारे में मुझे सलाह दे तो मैं एक्सपर्ट हूं. लेकिन वो राज्य चला रहे अनेक वर्षों से, तो राज्य के बारे में एक्सपर्ट वो है. मेरी एक्सपर्टाइज वो जानता है, उसकी एक्सपर्टाइज मैं जानता हूं. तो इस मामले में सलाह तो दे सकते हैं, सलाह तो दे सकते हैं, क्यों? देखने से भी सीखते हैं लोग. परंतु डिसीजन तो उस फील्ड में उनका है, इस फील्ड में हमारा है. इसलिए हम तय नहीं करते. हम तय करते इतना समय लगता क्या? हम नहीं करते, हमको करना नहीं है.